Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a sub account on Go High Level. Let's get started. First, head over to the official Go High Level website. Once you're on the home page, click on Login to App. This will take you to the sign in page. Enter your email address and password that you used to create your Go High Level account. After entering your details, click Sign In. For the security purposes, Go High Level may ask you to verify your identity. Click on Send Security Code, check your email for the code, then enter it in the field provided. Once verified, you will be taken to your Go High Level dashboard. From your dashboard, locate and click on the Sub Accounts tab on the left-hand side. This section shows all your created sub accounts. Scroll through your list of sub accounts and find the one you want to remove. Now, look for the Manage Client or the three-dot action button next to the sub account. Click on it, then at the top right corner, click Actions. And from the drop-down menu, select Delete. Before you confirm, remember, deleting a sub account is permanent. All data related to that account will be erased. Make sure you have backed up any important information before proceeding. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a sub account in Go High Level and taken a step toward a more streamlined dashboard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.